Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Never Age TV. For those that are new here, I want to welcome you today to this channel and encourage you to subscribe so you may become family as in a family in this channel. Subscribe and become our family member by growing this channel with us. For the returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I don't take it for granted that there are many videos, but you have chosen to watch these ones. And also, those subscribers that I'm seeing every day, new subscribers, I'm thanking you because of coming, because of subscribing. Thank you for subscribing. And you're welcome. Today I want to do an update. You remember this is the aloe vera gel that the previous video, a video there before, I showed you how to extract aloe vera gel from aloe vera plant, and I told you it has got many uses. So that day I even did a video when applying the aloe vera. Now, this is the one that remained. You remember I extracted a lot of aloe vera. This is the juice. I put it in the fridge. Usually, you can preserve it in the fridge for about a week or so. It doesn't go bad. It doesn't even smell anything. And I have got this nice spray bottle that I use. So I showed you how I apply aloe vera on my hair and how it has helped it grow. Remember guys, a time that I told you my hair fell off because of some color that I had put, and that's why I'm sustaining and retaining these lines so that my hair can grow back, and it is gonna grow back. And that's why I don't want to undo them very fast. They are not very shaggy, as you can see. So today I'm doing a video showing you how I maintain my hair with aloe vera juice, and this is the juice that I extracted and kept in the fridge. Remember I applied that time in between the lines. I applied the aloe vera in between the lines, and it was like I'm picking it from the bowl that I had extracted, used to extract, and I was just allowing it to just come and wet my hair that day. But this is the one that remains, and because I have this spray bottle, I'm gonna spray and show you how I do it in between the lines. And it is liquid, it doesn't have any smell, it has been in the fridge. In fact guys, I wish you can know how it soothes the scalp. It is so soothing. It soothes the scalp. Hey, it's dripping. So this is a very nice bottle, guys. Do you have a bottle like this one? This I got from one of my it was one of my serums, facial serums that got finished, and I picked the bottle. Sometimes it blocks, and I shake it. Sometimes it refuses to spray, like when a big what do you call it, particle enters the system. You can find it's not spraying, but I usually remove this. This is just like a pipe that you can remove and you know, some of these things are DIYs, so it's not rocket science. If it refuses to spray completely, I'll still do it with my hands. Right now it's refusing. I don't know why. Maybe there's a bigger particle that is in the pipeline. And so mine was to show you how I maintain my hair with this aloe vera gel, which I apply every other week. and it's just soothing on the scalp. You know, you'll know that your scalp is dry when you start feeling very itchy. I'm trying to blow it up like that so that it opens in the system. And if it refuses, it is still very easy to apply this this gel, because it's it's a matter of just taking and opening with my arms. Like now it has, my butter has let me down, guys. How? It just let me down. But this is not a place where we pretend. These things sometimes fail. So what I'll do is I'll pick my towel and still show you how I apply this. You know, this is because it may drip. I pick my towel and yes, I have to make sure that my scalp is so I'll continue manually because the pipe has blocked. Yeah, I know why. There are some particles, I can still feel them here. Bigger particles. You know, I did it with a sieve, the kitchen sieve. So you see, I just wet it up like this. Even if I didn't have this bottle, I'd still have wetted my hair. Oh, you see it's even dripping. So I wet in between the lines. And the scalp is feeling good, 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 guys. Very good. Oh, it's soothing. And again, the gel does not get wasted. Oh, yes. Oh, it's dripping on this side as I bend. So, usually this part gets drier because you lie on the pillow at night. And it gets dry. Ooh, I now feel like, you know, feeling like, you know, aloe vera is a kind of, it makes my scalp feel like I need to scratch it. But that shows that it is penetrating into the scalp. And guys, don't I feel soothed? Now this hair, it's been 3 weeks. You can go back to my videos and see exactly 3 weeks on when? On Wednesday. It will be 4 weeks still braided on Wednesday next week. Today is a Saturday. And I'm not going to undo this hair until Wednesday because I really want it to be 1 month old. You can imagine how my scalp has rested. And even the hair. And now, all this time, you would not have kept the hair dry. Remember, I've been doing the aloe vera application. Like now, I may decide to now go and cut the leaf. You know, my aloe vera, guys, you know, it's already out here. You have seen it many times. I may decide to cut it in the course of next week. And the gel that is even elastic, having come from the plant immediately, I may just petitia on the lines. I may pass it on the lines like this, and it just suits my scalp very well. I have never scratched. With aloe vera you can never scratch, guys. So I know you're asking me, do you ever apply any other oil on the hair after you apply this? No, guys, no, me, I don't. And that is me. I'll not tell you not to apply, but as for me, look, I've applied all that quantity. It was full. So you can imagine my scalp is now feeling like I want to scratch, but it is because it is treating it. There's a place here that I feel a bit dry. It's because it's treating the scalp. So guys, I don't apply any other oil until the time I'll undo my hair. I just leave it at that. I can only add some aloe vera in the course of the week, and that is me. And now I'm soothed. My scalp is treated. So aloe vera all the time. Aloe vera all the time. So guys, I just wanted to show you that I'm still continuing applying my aloe vera on my hair. And now another, how many days? Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Another 4 days to go with this hair. Then I'll think of undoing it and maybe doing something else like the braids or something. Guys, subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching. Thank you for passing by this channel. Come again and again. And guys, we'll see you. Subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.